What's up, guys? Kind of been a minute since I have made any videos. My brother's kind of taking the channel over for a little bit, but we're going to be doing some 2500 Cummins stuff today. So this mod we've already done on my brother's 3rd gen, which I'm actually going to link the video in the description so that you can go ahead and look at that to see if it makes a difference. I don't want to say that it made the biggest difference with his truck because at the time we did so many other mods that so many other things probably helped it. But anyway, this is a $20 steering bushing mod, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. But first, we're going to take the truck on a ride. I'm going to go up the same exact road, and I'm going to record the whole thing. And then when I put these bushings in, I'm going to take it back, and we're going to see how the steering is. If it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, it's 20 bucks. All right, so the road's pretty well straight for the most part, but to keep the truck between the lines, there's definitely a little bit of play in the wheel, which hopefully they say these bushings are going to fix, but we'll see. So this is how much play that I have right now without the truck like walking all over the road. All right, gonna film the same thing going back. I'm of course exaggerating a little bit just so you can kind of see how much plays in the wheel. But on wide wheels, like I'm on 24x12s, the wheel definitely, I don't know, the wheels probably definitely made it worse. But like I said, for a $20 fix, we'll see if it actually works or not. I'm going to show you exactly how to press these bushings in, and then we're going to go on the same exact drive again, and we're going to see if this is taken care of. All right, guys, so this is instruction paperwork, which is funny because I bought the cheaper one on Amazon, which is like $19, versus the one that you can buy on CJC Off-Road, and they're like $32. It's the same exact instructions. So I can't imagine that these being too much different. But basically what it says is there's a tapered end, and you're going to press that one in first. Then when you're done with that, you're going to press the other one in. So we're going to find the tapered one, which I think is actually this one right here. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but I think that one's there right there. Then we're going to press the rest in, and it says you can also add a hose clamp. We have not done that to my brother's, and he hasn't had any issues, but he also doesn't drive his truck nearly the same I do. So anyway, let me set the camera up. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do. All right, so you can see I literally just pressed that in with my finger. I'm going to push the other one in first, and then I'm going to get a hammer. So I'm going to have to turn the truck on, turn the wheel probably to the right or left to get to the other side, push that one in, then I'm going to get a rubber hammer so I don't damage them because they are just billet, and then easily tap those in. So like I said, rubber hammer, but just to show you guys, so I mean that's a little bit sticking out, but that's kind of how the picture is too. So all I did was put them both in as far as I could with my finger, and then tapped them kind of evenly on each side with a rubber hammer, so I didn't damage them at all. And let's go on a drive, see if it fixes anything. If it doesn't, well, it doesn't, and if it does, cool. All right, so 100% transparency. Transparency. God, I can't say that word. Anyway, I was expecting a little bit more. I do notice that the wheel is a little sensitive, a little bit more sensitive, I guess, than what it was. But I was expecting a tidbit more, but I guess for what you're doing and like how you're pressing those into that steering shaft, you're not really doing much. I mean, it took me 30 seconds maybe to do it, so to notice any improvement for 30 seconds of work and $20, I guess that's a win in itself. But I'm gonna loop back around, do the same exact drive on the straight, and that'll be the end of the video. I don't know, maybe it did help a little bit more than I thought it did. Anyway, 20 bucks, guys, worth a shot. Let me know if you notice anything. Guys, as always, like the video, subscribe, it helps. Almost at 3,000 finally. Just gonna keep posting as much as I can. Finally got this thing paid for too, which is pretty sweet. So sub button, guys, comments, interaction with the videos, it all helps. I appreciate the support. Yeah, it kind of helps me fund some of the truck parts. So all right, guys, till next time.